Zamir Ahmed Awan is the founding chair of Global Silk Route Research Alliance, an Islamabad-based think tank. Over the past 4 decades, he spent nearly 16 years studying, working, and living in China. He studied in Shanghai University in the late 1970s. He was stationed in China as a Pakistani diplomat for 6 years. Witnessing China's huge achievements, he highlighted the Communist Party of China's contributions to the country and the world.
The changes which happened in China are really amazing, are miracle, and nobody has imagined that China will become so big power and so prosper or so advanced or so developed. So I can make this comparison of 1980s and the new modern China. So I am the right man to make this comparison, and this is unprecedented. I mean, the Chinese achievements are so huge. Absolute poverty was eradicated completely and established a moderate, prosperous society. That was a mega achievement of Communist Party of China. 800 million people were lifted out of poverty. Domestically, the Chinese Communist Party has been very popular inside the country. Globally, many countries, especially the developing countries, are following the Chinese development module, and that they are trying to implement the Chinese policies in their country. So China has emerged as a role power, that is the Communist Party of China, which has worked very hard and got the recognition globally.